To transfer money using MoneyGram, you can either visit the nearest location or complete the transfer online. To do so in person, simply go to a MoneyGram location near you, bringing along your ID and the money you want to send. Alternatively, you can start the transfer process online and then visit a MoneyGram location to pay with cash within 24 hours. Using the MoneyGram online transfer app involves logging in, entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send, choosing your preferred payment and delivery method, verifying the details, and then sending. The website offers a similar process. Log in, enter the recipient's details and the amount, choose a delivery method such as bank transfer, select a payment method like a debit card, verify the details and exchange rates, and then send. To track the status of your transfer, you can either log in to your online profile and check your transaction history or use the Track and Receive tool on the homepage by entering your reference number and last name. The duration of MoneyGram transfers varies depending on the destination country, with some taking just minutes and others taking a few hours. Overall, transferring money with MoneyGram is a relatively straightforward process.